compromise the mind power to register information. As a result of these methods, a simple drawing of black and white circles might appear to move when it stopped, when it really didn't.
Thank you. Jared?
Op art is not exactly conventional in two many ways. Op art separates the artist and the spectator from having any kind of connection. Op art displayed were more manufactured. They eliminated the use of paint and brush strokes, which helped add to the separation of the artist from his work. This way, the art would appear to be void of emotional character. Op art wanted to show an empty and meaningless picture in order to capture the emotions of the spectator. Unlike most other art movements, op art aimed to create a negative as well as positive impact.
Thank you. Ashley?
I don't know where we are.
Exactly. Shut up here. We'll be everything.
No one seriously, no one at the table has any idea.
Second.
Oh,
You let her know that she
op art was also simple in its style. Most of the op art images had geometric forms or shapes. Their color scheme was made up of essentially two